Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders on REALME GT6. All you have to do is hold the app that you would like to have in your folder, then move it around and move it onto your other app that you would like to also have in your folder. So just like that. And as you can see, a folder creates itself. Yep. And you just have to release your finger. As you can see, a folder has been created. I can also drag other apps into it, just like that. And of course, if I would like to remove them, remove the folder, all you have to do is remove the apps out of the folder. Just drag them out the same way as I drag them in. And that's all. If I helped, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.